Not getting enough traffic to your website? Not enough clicks? Need stronger social media? Or currently no marketing automation? Don't worry, we're here to help. At Big Leap, we create custom strategies and implement action plans that drive real results. In fact, our mission, the whole reason we exist, is to help you achieve exceptional and sustainable success.
In this video, we want to quickly explain what happens during the initial get-to-know-you phase, right? As we're deciding if we're going to be a good fit to work together. Step one, you're going to have an initial phone call or a meeting, a discovery session, where we want to understand where are you coming from? What are you trying to accomplish? What are your pain points? Is this a brand new project? Is it a site and a brand that's been around for 50 years? Do you have one competitor, 50 competitors? What are the things you've tried already? What's your internal team look like? Right? Do you have 10 people on your internal team that are all rock stars? Do you have one person wearing 14 hats? We need to step one, understand what's the situation. Step two, our team meets internally to figure out, knowing everything we've now figured out about your project, how can we help? What's the right answer? Because sometimes we can help, we're not the right fit. And sometimes exactly what you need is exactly what we offer. And those are the right situations for both of us. So we're gonna take those, put them into a proposal, and step three, present those back to you. In that step, we're showing you an initial audit of how you're performing from a digital standpoint, how you're performing against competitors as a benchmark, and also some opportunities for where we see that you could really be successful. Step four is where we hope we get to call you a client and we get to partner together. And here is where you get to meet the team. You get to meet the client success executive, the SEO member of the team, the conversion rate member of the team, the content member of the team, as we have this really spectacular team for you that brings all the different service offerings that we're gonna need to help complement your internal team. This is where we get to meet them and we get to build a really customized plan that's gonna help you get to where you wanna get to. Our team becomes your team.
If you're looking to increase your bandwidth, Big Leap is the right team for you. Reach out to us today to learn more specifics about what services we have here at Big Leap. Now, back to those pain points. Whatever they might be, we're here to help. Let's change the pain points into results. Our motto is earn trust every day. Give us a chance to earn yours.